Leftover lemon peels. Know these 10 amazing things you can do with them. Many people like to start their day with fresh lemon juice. This not only wakes up the digestive system but boosts the energy levels as well. However, most of us just throw away the peels without knowing that they are beneficial and can be used in different ways. They contain vitamins, minerals, and fiber and provide a nutritional boost. So, stop throwing lemon peels. Today you will find out more how to use lemon peels and reap all of their benefits. 10 uses of lemon peels. 1. Lemon olive oil. Zest 3 cups of lemon peel and add them to a cup of olive oil in order to add your olive oil a refreshing lemon flavor. Let it stay for 2 weeks, then strain it. Remove the peel bits and your lemon olive oil is ready to use. 2. Lemon ice cubes. Add lemon peel strips to the water in your ice cube trays and freeze them. You can use lemon zest as well. You know now that your drinks will never taste the same. 3. Remove trash can odor. To absorb the unpleasant odor and give your can a fresh smell, put some lemon peels at the bottom of your trash. 4. Clean microwaves. You should add a few lemon peels in a microwave-safe container filled with water. You should heat on high for 5 minutes. This will clean your microwave from the inside. With a towel, wipe down the walls of the microwave. Your microwave will have a brand new look. 5. Ant repellent. Place lemon peels in places where you expect ants to enter your house. Lemons have a unique smell that will keep ants at bay. Moreover, lemon peels can be used to keep ants away from your sugar jar as well. 6. Brighten the skin. To make your face brighter and smoother, make a scrub using lemon-infused oil, Epsom salt, and some lemon peels. 7. Vitamin C powder. This vitamin C powder can be used in smoothies or plain water. It will boost your vitamin C levels. You should chop some lemon peels into square pieces. Let them dry on a cloth for a couple of days. Then, use a coffee grinder to turn them into powder. 8. Keep your brown sugar soft. Adding lemon peel to your jar with brown sugar will keep your sugar soft. 9. Freshen your dishwasher. Add a few lemon peels to rinse and deodorize your dishwasher. 10. Freshen your fridge. Place a few lemon peels in your fridge. This will absorb the unpleasant odor and give it a fresh, new smell.